Welcome to Recreational Garage. We have here my 1967 Mustang Coupe, and it needs a lot of work. Just some dings down here. You see I already have the interior out of it. And we can see here that the motor's already gone. Motor and transmission pulled. Today we need to start working on replacing the rusty floors. All right, and here we have nice Swiss cheese floors. I think this car had some work done back in the 90s from the stories I've heard. Picked this car up last summer, finally getting to it. So we're gonna start with replacing some of the floors here, get rid of some of the rustiness, and go from there. made some pretty good progress today. Got a big hole in the floor. Still a lot of rust up here. A weird patch panel by whoever did some work on this car in the past. Got to finish trying to get the steering column out. Got to make some more room up here near the firewall. But that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching, and God bless.